Hi guys, it's Tracy. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope that you enjoy the video. If you could all do me a favor and give the video a thumbs up, I really would appreciate it. And I am back with my June Boxy Luxe unboxing, and it's the same theme, Dare to Dazzle. And I already opened the box. So if you don't know what Boxy Luxe or Boxycharm is, it's like a monthly makeup subscription box, kind of like a mystery box, where some items, like with the Luxe box, you get to pick 2 items. With the premium box, you get to pick 2 items. And with the base box, you get to pick 1 item. So sometimes there's like sneak peeks and spoilers and different things like that. So there were a few items that were sneaked and said all charmers would get it that I didn't get in my box. So we'll get into that. And then this is the Luxe box, and I just checked on their website, and it says that the June box has a retail June box valued at $455. So the Luxe box comes every 3 months, and my box was nowhere near $455. I already added it up and it was $284. So I don't know what happened or where they shortchanged me, but this seems to be happening quite a lot with them. So I have decided that this will be my last Luxe box from them. I'm going to cancel it because they've just been, I don't know, there's some stuff just doesn't seem right with me, and it seems like every time they say like everybody's gonna get this, and then I didn't get my box until after the pop-up or the add-ons were closed, so that I didn't know what was in my box. In case I wanted to purchase something, I couldn't because I didn't know if it would be in my box, which one of the items was supposed to be in the box, not in the box. And then the reason that I opened the box was because when it was left at my porch, there was liquid coming out of the box. And I was like, okay, wonder what that is. So I had to open it and like kind of clean everything off and find out what the culprit was. And the culprit was this Smith French Dublin Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. And it does smell good, but as you can see, about 1/3 of the bottle is gone because it's all over the box. So I had to wipe and clean up some stuff. I don't think it damaged anything other than, you know, it was all over. So they say this is $25. It does smell really nice. And then let's see, this right here, the Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. This is a new launch, and it says that it is $38. See, it like kind of made the box black, probably from the inside of the Boxycharm box. Shouldn't matter for the inside though. So this is a brand new launch for them. Let's see. It doesn't have a lot of scent to it. It doesn't really look like a cleansing balm though. It looks like a lotion, like a cream. Is it Mr. Approved? He says it might be. He'll have to get back with you. So this is $38, and it says, let's see, what do I do with my glasses? I hate when I do that. Where's my glasses? Oh, and today on my eyes, I have the Nabla Cutie palette in Analogue. This was in the latest Trend Mood box, which I managed to snag. If you haven't seen it, I'll pop it up here in the corner. On my lips, I have the Wet n Wild lipstick in Close Off. And when I unboxed the Trend Mood box, it came with the Viper lip plumper, and I was afraid to like use it, and I'm still kind of afraid to use it, so I put it on like a little corner of my lips while I was getting ready, and it really does get like hot. It says on there hot or something like that. So I put it on this like corner here, and it really was whew. So I'll have to get, you know, brave and like maybe just put it on the top lip or the bottom lip and then like ease myself into it. So I'll probably be able to handle it. So we'll see. And then next up here, I had to take this out because this stuff was all over the blush box. And this is the NARS blush, a cult favorite, best-selling blush, delivers a weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek color in matte, satin, and shimmering finishes. And this is $30, and this is the shade Orgasm. It probably went good with my look today. It's not very deep. Can you even see that? Not real noticeable, but it's a pretty color, so we'll check that out. Next up, I also had to take out of the box because the stuff was all over the Benefit box. It's quite sticky actually, so let me put that to the side. And this is the Benefit Cosmetics Brow Styler Eyebrow Pencil and Powder Duo. This is $34. It says it's a 2-in-1 wax pencil and powder duo. It's all you need to create 3 essential eyebrow looks. The waterproof 18-hour wear and pencil effortlessly sculpts and shapes brows. The loose filling powder's precise angled felt tip allows for mess-free application while building easily for a soft and natural look. So this is $34. So you have the pencil here. It's kind of like a, I don't know, it's almost like a rectangle shape. And I ordered the shade 4.5. That's what they gave me. And then in the bottom here is like a little slanted thing with some powder. So that might be nice. I haven't used a powder in my brows in years probably, so we will give that a shot. Next up we have the Pure Heals Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. It says it contains real rose petals and rose water to moisturize and revitalize your dry and stressed skin while sleeping. When rolling it on the skin, it delivers rose's vital moisturizing energy to the skin with a melting technology of rose petals. It says that this is $55. This just had some of the black from the box on it. It wasn't too, it didn't damage it. So that's what it looks like. Did you want to smell? Is it waiting for your approval? You don't like that one? He's not too fond of this one. He kind of turned his nose up. That's okay. Not everybody can like everything. And again, this was a skincare heavy box. There were only, again, 2 makeup items out of a whole box. So I'm definitely going to cancel the Luxe box. Next up we have the NYS Clarkson Avenue sunglasses, which they say are $40. And this was a choice item. And again, it was like the choices weren't great. So I kind of picked what I could pick. And this was like the lesser of the evils. So I lose sunglasses, so I would never pay $40 for a pair of sunglasses, but they're cute. So the last pair of expensive sunglasses I had, I went into JCPenney, tried something on, was on my way right out the door, right after I left the dressing room, and I was like, oh, and I realized my glasses were gone. I ran back and my glasses were gone. Somebody took them. So I never take my glasses out of the car with me now. They always stay inside the car. I don't wear them on my head. I stopped doing that because I lost my pair of sunglasses. So this one will have to stay in the car as well. So next up, Earth Harbor Naturals Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. Okay. Small bottle for, is the glass broken? No. Let's see. It says fortify, nourish, and revive dull damaged hair using superfoods, seaweed, and coconut anti-pollution properties of jasmine and calendula flowers, and ultra rejuvenation of carrot seed and jojoba oils. Massage into scalp to promote energy to hair follicles and envelop hair in a crowning aroma of fruit, flowers, and fresh earth. It's the perfect herbal tonic for tackling dry scalp, scraggly ends, and worn strands. $30. So this cost, well, you want to smell? You want some of that on your hair? He said he might like this one. Doesn't really have that much of a scent. You would think that it would because of all the stuff that's in it, but it kind of reminds me of like the Olaplex oil, and like that, the number, is it the number 7? I think is the one that everybody really likes. Like I can buy that for $14 at Cosmoprof. So for them to say this is $30, that's a lot of money for just a hair oil. But I'll get, so I don't, well, yeah, I use it sometimes like for flyaways if my hair's blown out like this, or when it's curly, I'll use it, you know, to kind of put the edges and get those little flyaway baby hairs. But I have a technique that I use to get, like when my hair's like this, to get them to stay down. I use a hairspray with a color brush, spray the color brush, and then you like use it like if you were putting color into your hair, and it really lays the hair down flat, and then it doesn't pop up if you have like, you know, little baby hairs or partial hairs that haven't grown out yet. So I think I did a video on it one time, not sure. Let's see, next up, Tula Skincare Glow Hour Brightening and Neutralizing Eye Balm, $32. Another skincare item. I don't know who Courtney Shields is, but I know I got a eye balm from Tula not that long ago. So I don't know if this is the same one. I don't know who Courtney is. It says, treat the look of dark circles over time with this neutralizing, color-correcting under-eye balm, specially sized to fit in the small corners of the inner eye. This eye balm features grapefruit and algae to brighten the look of tired eyes, plus lingonberry to protect from the damaging effects of pollution and blue light. Each swipe cools, hydrates, and illuminates with a golden peachy glow. See, now this kind of stuff, it's like, if they would look at the quizzes, they should know that I don't have dark circles. So they don't look. They don't like, it almost looks like a highlighter. It's like, it looks gold to me. It doesn't look peach. Maybe that would be nice under your eyes. I don't know. Have any of you guys tried this? Do you guys know who Courtney Shields is? Doesn't have a smell, so I'll have to try it if I don't use it. I think my sister might have dark circles, so we'll see. And then the last item was that hand soap that spilled. So my box was worth $284. It was supposed to be worth up to, well, they get it because they say up to $455. So I'm missing like $166 worth of products. Where'd they go? So I don't know. I'm thinking of starting the AIA box or the Tribe Beauty box. Those ones come bi-monthly, so I'm thinking about giving one of those a shot. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. And then I'm just gonna probably only keep the Boxycharm Premium and then get rid of my base box, and then every 3 months the Luxe box, because this is happening too much where like I'm getting, you know, tons of skincare and you're like, where's the makeup? So I got 2 makeup products, a hand wash, a cleansing balm, a mask, and a hair serum, and the hand wash. So this was just a meh box for me. Like everything in the box I could have actually done without. So that's kind of why I was waiting for this box to come, and I'm like, if I don't get like some really good stuff, then I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna cut it off, because I think my last Luxe box was not that great, and it wasn't the value that they had said it would be. So I'm like, I'm gonna watch and I'm gonna see if this keeps happening. So I think now is the time to axe the box before the next one comes. So next month, maybe I'll have one of those other boxes, and I think those are both $34.95, but those come every other month. So then I won't be having, like, you know, a box of stuff coming every month. And with Boxycharm, they've been super skincare heavy, and I have tons of skincare. So I'm looking, one of the boxes I think they said is all makeup, but I'm still trying to look into it and check them out. And I've been watching videos of like previous months to see if they're consistent and, you know, how they look. So look forward to a new box coming to the channel, hopefully. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, yes? Okay? Hey. You okay? Okay. Just a sneasel? Okay. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this box. Last Boxy Luxe that I'm gonna be getting for now. And if you liked the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe. Make sure to click the notification bell to be notified of new videos. And if you're a returning watcher, thank you so much for coming back. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.